what? There we go. Oh, look. Oh my god. It's only been like an entire like 2 entire months that I worked on this project, right? Oh my god. Well, I mean on stream at least. Oh. You remember the thing that I was gonna develop, but I just never ended up developing because I didn't feel like it, and also I didn't have enough time. Oh my god. Well, but I do feel like it now. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Wow. God. I'm hoping y'all can hear me. Holy. I'm this my grembox. My oh so sweet, beautiful grembox. Oh my god. Mm, I, I work on this so rarely, like on stream or even like ever. Like if you can see, like right here. Um, I need to um, I don't know. I just need to do something about this because what do I call it? Um, when's the last time I made this? March 7th? Holy moly. I think that was like on stream too. Isn't that crazy? Or maybe it was on I don't know. It's been a long time. I think it was like made like right after that the last grembox stream, which is a while ago. Holy moly. I mean, oh, okay, hold on. I could actually check my channel like really fast. Uh, I search my own channel up. There we go. Oh, that's not how you, oh, it's right. It's with an at. My bad. Let's see. Oh, what? I'm streaming? No way. Isn't that crazy? Wow. Um, hold on. I, like, literally, it's been, like, what has been my streams? It's just, like, it's all Fortnite, and, it's all Fortnite, and, like, Tomodachi Life, and, like, some things sprinkled in between, but mostly Fortnite and Tomodachi Life, which is, oh, I cannot lie. It's kind of messed up of me considering I used to deserve more variety stuff, but, you know, whatever. And you know what? I should do more variety stuff, but I'm a little bit of a dum-dum, and I don't exactly do a whole lot of variety. Oh, wow. Why is my Windows 8, my Windows 8, like, like, live stream's like my most popular one? Isn't that crazy? Holy moly. Oh, wow. Man, internet be tweaking. Don't worry about it. It's genuinely like no problem, honestly. That shit was awesome. You're so right. Holy. I wanted to do like a Windows Vista one at some point, but like I'm not gonna lie, uh hmm all the work. Wait, you're so right though. Oh, you're so right. I wanted to do a Windows Vista one sometime since I was also what I also grew up on Windows Vista. Like I grew up like what supposedly the reception is like these are like two of the most worst operating systems for like Windows like ever, and so like I don't know. But the thing is, I'm not really sure how to approach a Windows Vista live stream because it can't, I don't know, like me personally, it can't just be like trying to like just like looking at just like opening up Windows Vista. I don't know. I'll think of something on the way. It's been 3 months since the Windows 8 stream. Holy, isn't that crazy? Wow. Oh my god. Anyway, I forgot what I did here. So like low key. Okay, wait. Um, what? Every gram goes to his position. If I open up this, no. Okay. I think the actual behavior of a grem is in here. I think yes, which is what. I remember I had a function or something? Question mark? I'm not actually sure how, what I did. But, I did do a lot of, I did do some tinkering with, AI, the grembox AI, not like LLM AI or something, just like, the grem's a brain, Oh my god, wow. Wow, I literally do not know. AI, yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, I use AI, I can't believe it. Oh my god. I'm creating my own AI, I'm such a tech bro. God. Some stupid bullshit. But, okay, hold on, I need a, where is it? Where is such a Texas? You're so right. Let me open up VS Code. Okay, done. W zaps, you're so right. Oh my god. Look, look, wrong thing. Wrong thing again. The grembox, I'm a lurker right now, by the way. Don't worry about it. You're fine. Oh man. But seriously though, I need to start action walk 2, because I remember I had like a walk 2. Oh yeah, here you go. If input, okay, what's debug is it literally just enter? It is just enter, huh? Okay. So I made a I implemented navigation into these grems. So let's say you want to point a grem towards a position, right? Right now it does position like at 0, 0, so like around here. Every grem will start going to there, and it's kind of crazy. I don't know. Oh, AI is crazy. Okay, I probably shouldn't be speaking like that. But like, okay, wait. Look at this. It can navigate. Whoa, isn't that crazy? Oh my god. Wow, it's so awesome. Oh my god. God. Where's the grab? Oh shit, where's the grab? Did I knock it a little bit too? Did I knock it too far? Holy! I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm genuinely wondering now. World grem. Well, I guess it really doesn't matter. Man, it'll be going on and off, so I'll be here literally when I can. That's okay. You're so valid for that, honestly. If anything, I wanted to zap the grabs this time around with some logic, though it's kind of, I suppose it's more like kind of basic right now. I will not lie, cause I think if anything, the first thing I need to do. Okay, so I've already zapped the gram with like navigation logic, which I completely forgot about, by the way. God. So I think the main thing that I need to do is what? I probably shouldn't do the talking stuff right now. I should probably make the menus now that I think about it. So I guess it's a bit like misleading. But I guess today could be dedicated toward like UI work. So if you see like over here, like it's kind of fucked up, but I think if anything, how this could work is I remember Lego suggested something to me like a while back that I just now remembering. I decided, you're so right. So instead of having like a panel here, it would be like a little, hold on. Okay, this is gonna require some messing around with, because holy moly. grembox UI element, yes. Yes, okay. So, essentially, what? What? We got a phone. No, not literally a phone. Let's just have this as... I want to have it like a gesture. But for now, I think it could be a button. So, let's have a button right here, which I suppose I already have in the form of this. I think it's just managing this part in specific. Because... What? Wait, there's one more thing I want to do with the camera. But I guess I'll do it later. It involves like zooming in and stuff because that's kind of important, but not right now, I suppose. Because I want to redesign this menu so it doesn't look like total doo-doo. So I think the first thing would be getting rid of this animation track. There's animation tracks related to this? I didn't know that. God. But it would be something like this. And it'd be like what? I think, okay, so first of all, I think everything would be like around the same, like around here. So like margin left, top, and then we have like, what? No, not 90, maybe like 30. No, maybe even 20. How about that? I have like a margin of 20 in each side. Not like that. No. Like so like that. And then, I do not remember how this actually worked. I'm gonna be real honest with you. But I'm hoping it works well enough because it's kind of messy right now. But if I start this right now, would it? Yeah, okay, it would be like super misaligned. But it's okay since it's not my main goal right now. My main goal is to, I want to ideally have everything take up like equal space around here. So I think what's gonna do first is I'm gonna container horizontal expand. Yes. How about shrink center? Okay, fill, but also expand. Something. I suppose it's something like that, but I think it's a lot more. I think, cause shrink center. Not even just fill. Hello, hi. I want this again. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Whoa. So I actually forgot what I had previously, but I believe it's like something like what? Fuck. Okay, so I guess I'm more so designing this like a phone per se, but like I am, but like what I have you seen the red button, blue button discourse? No. What are you talking about? That's a genuine question, by the way. I literally do not know. I probably messed something up here. Hold on, let me see. I had some things that were. If I check here, oh, right, I didn't save it. There you go. Okay, now I'm actually able to see what I deleted here. So, stage change. Oh my god! Lazy kid, what the frick? Why'd you do that? Hold on. Don't stage that right now. Nope. You want to have two different UIs for desktop and mobile scaler, or do you want one dynamic menu? Ideally, one dynamic menu, but, you know, UI not menu. No, I understand. Ideally, I want, like, a uniform one for, like, every single thing, though I'm aware I can't just do that, so I'm thinking... The whole of humanity is kidnapped by aliens at the exact same time, and each person ends up with is this the one where I don't know. Fuck. I literally do not. Each person is told that everyone has to press one of those two buttons as well. Yeah, this one. If at least 50% of people press the blue button, everyone is safe. Or if at least 50% of people press the red button, everyone that picked the blue button will die. That's crazy. The most craziest part to me is that the most craziest part to me is that that everyone doesn't ban to press the blue button until everyone survives. Okay, no, that's just immediate. Holy moly. Okay, so now this is shrink center around here. Okay, that looks a lot better, but now I have to shrink center for sure, but I wanted to take like I want them to take up like equal space, I will say. So I think if anything, I don't know. I I'll decide how that works later. I think what it's like something like this, but I don't know. It's sort of hard to decide for a uniform for if we want to get things like uniform. But I suppose it's fine. Boop. There you go. Yay! Awesome. I actually had a... Oh, no, yeah, this is the thing I had. This is the thing I had right. Okay, how do I handle this? Hold on. Let's see. Options. Phone. HBox container. So essentially, everything had their own thing, but... Okay. So I had a custom minimum size, which I think I will put in the phone as well. So let's say 150, 150. And that's the same for like every button. Every button will have a custom minimum size of 150. Like so. So essentially, like this, and then for settings, custom minimum size. I will need to draw like proper icons for these later, but I think this will be fine for now. There you go. It's something like that. So if you, not like that. If you, what is this? Ah, I see. Gotcha. So if you have it like here, then it'll, okay. Well, maybe it should be like a lot bigger actually now I think about it. Okay. How about, no. Okay, how about like 250? How about that? There you go. 225? Like, depending on how it's distributed, I think that could work a little bit better. Let me see. So, boop, boop. Okay, no, that works a lot better, actually. Now I'm looking at it. Okay. And then if I go into here, I'm assuming this will be like, what? As well. Okay, that does work a lot better, I will say. But, I think will be like, okay, so, essentially, what I need to do, because for grembox, it's gonna be like a whole, it's like a whole thing. It's kinda crazy. God. My phone is fine, but my PC's getting like 5-second waves of internet. That's genuinely fucked up. Have you tried putting it in a rise? God. Toast box. Oh yeah, that's right. This is gonna be the notifications right here. Yes, okay. Let me try. Of course. Hold on. Let's see. So we have a thing right here. I don't know why it's like, I have no idea why it's like that of all things. Oh, I mean, I think that's like the most oddest placement I could put it at. Hold on. Isn't this supposed to also be like 310? No, wait. 310, something like that? So it makes some sense. Okay, maybe... Hold on. It should ideally be around here, so... If anything... Cause there's like way too much think, but it's also not way too much, cause I don't know. It's kind of hard to think about. But essentially, what I want a if anything, if I want desktop, I could make this like two sections, not like one whole big section, I think. Though I wouldn't exactly know. So hold on. So if that's the case, then I could do like, I can make the inventory like right about now. Hold on. So grembox game. So we have that. Grembox can be like anything. So grembox game. Ah, no, that's for the actual thing itself. I think for globals, I should have like grembox inventory. Which will have class name grembox inventory extends what? I guess just ref counted will be fine. You know what? Now that I think about it, I don't know. There's something crazy that I discovered when I'm playing Tomodachi Life. What I'm basically creating grembox is just kind of like Tomodachi Life. I won't even lie with you. God, that's crazy to think about. Holy. But anyway, what do I need? Data. I guess grembox could. I guess it could more be towards here. I think. I don't know. I'm still like identifying a lot of stuff that I could have or could not have. So, if anything, let me turn on the fan, because holy, it's gonna get like hot in here pretty soon, I won't lie. So, we have var, grembox. No, not var. Just the inventory will be fine. So, I'm thinking, it's like hard to think right now. It's so hard to think. So we got, so we plan on food, toys, and accessories. Which I suppose, we could have an objects menu too, honestly. Just, not exactly like toys, just like objects. Or toys could just classify as objects, honestly. So we have, so let's say we have a whole, like, grembox item. Grembox inventory item, right? Inventory item .gd. And so we have, this. There you go. Extends ref counted. And essentially what we'd be wanting from that is that we'd want we want to store what the type of thing it is. So let's just say enum item type, and we got item type item type object, which is just like, just basic. Also classified as toy as well. I should probably write that down. Also known as toys in game. Item type food, which is edible objects a grem could eat. And then an item, excuse me, oh my gosh, an item type accessory, which is accessories to put on grems. Okay, so then we have like item type right here. But now here comes a question. If I were to do something, maybe we shouldn't do it like that, cause then I think if anything, no, I think, here's what I'll do. I think if anything, I will make, okay, so, no, that's not a good way to approach it. I think if anything, I'm gonna have like a grembox inventory. I know it's gonna be right here, but I think it's gonna be more like an abstract thing that you can inherit off of. So it's not gonna have a type, because the type would just be like the class's type. So I'll just have this, and for now, let's just have grembox inventory food .gd, and then we'll have something like this, which does extend off of what with grembox inventory item. Alright, this is supposed to be food, so right there. There you go. Compile that. It's not compiling. Okay, great. VS Code. Yes. There you go. I should probably pin this actually to my taskbar. There you go. God. But anyway, what? I'm gonna do some as well. I'm just forgetting which. Like what I wanted to do exactly, cause I low-key just forget sometimes, like, genuinely. But, the rice didn't work? Damn, that's fucked up. So ideally, I'd want to say this is more... No, okay, I know what to do for here. So, for, I think, texture is gonna be like, what? Just a simple texture 2D to render, and it'll just be like whatever, I suppose. Represents item in game. So we'll have a texture. Let's export it, and actually I have this as not as a ref counted, but as a resource to later put in. So then we're gonna have a texture. What texture? Got a texture and then a name. So we can't just call it name. How about what? Display. Not display name. Just how do you label? Label would work. Label. There you go. And then this will be the name displayed in game. And then we'll have like a descriptor as well. Description. Ideally, I do want to make this translatable. So I'll probably put like codings for that, but if there isn't, then I'll just I guess edit the translation table if anything. Then the description. The finer details displayed. Inventory in game. And then I think if anything, so now here, represents an inventory item in game. Yay! Awesome. And so, abstract, no, not abstract, just have it to be like that. Let's create food first. So, we have a toy. Okay, there could be like more toy. So we have food, toys, accessories. I think we want to create something else, just like a regular old item. I think a toy is something a Grem could like physically interact with. I think, which I guess is fair, but also I don't know. It's like, it's like certain ways to I suppose. I'll add more as time goes along, I suppose. But for now, let's just have clothing. Yeah, no, those are the part of the accessories. So I think of anything. I could. Um. Like honestly, I could make it like sort of Tomodachi Life-esque, where what you have like a sort of thing where it's like a very brief description of it. So I think if anything, what because I cannot lie, Tomodachi Life is a very very good reference for this. I realize. So what let's have like for taste. Just have it as an int for now. I want to make an enum later, but for now, taste texture int. Ah, right, my bad. Taste. Not texture. How about what? Picture will be fine, I think. Picture, then texture. Okay, hold on. There you go. Yay! Awesome. So I want to create things called taste, and then a thing called texture, which I think will determine how they like it. No? Oh, right. Taste, texture, smell. That's right. Right. You're so right for that. Holy. How about food texture? Food taste, food texture, and then food texture, and food smell. You're so right for that. Holy. So let's just have smell right here. There you go. Yay! Thank you, dear balls deep. There you go. Our dear grams are doing so well. Oh my god, Godot instance, what the hell? Food taste, there you go. Yay! Okay, so immediately we'll have food taste none, which is just gonna be 0. I think how I'll handle this is I'll handle this like with like sort of like a bit field as well. So I think if anything, food smell. So automatically it'll just smell like nothing. Food taste. Food taste none. Food texture none. And for here, food smell. Each individual will have preferences for dishes that may focus on each thing, and then specify taste, textures, and smells may further increase the like of a dish. But that's what I was thinking too. I think we have like an extra thing here called I don't know, like just like what do you call it, vibe? I don't know, just like what a fit in, I guess. Like more like what not vibe, category. Like I guess category of food. So like I don't know, like bread, vegetable, fruit, like meat, dairy, that type of thing. So I think if anything, food smell none. So anything, I'll have these under like a whole a group called enhance mayhaps right here, and then have a export group named enhancement. Some vegetarians, some be vegetarian, some vegan. You're so right. Holy. God. So, food category. So immediately, I guess this could also just be none. Food category, none. 0. Maybe food class will be fine. Food classification. Taste is probably easy because the 5 basic tastes. That's fair enough. I will put that in a little bit. Hold on. Classification, food classification. I don't think there's a need to make it too elaborate. So what? Food taste sour. Am I doing that right? Hold on. How do bit fields work in Godot again? Godot, bit fields. Just how do bit fields work in general? I keep forgetting this. Hold on. Let me see. I genuinely forgot. Okay, no, I see. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, okay, no, I figured something like this. That's right, okay. I did not get that wrong. I'm just tweaking. God. Oh, whoopsie. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami? The fuck? I knew umami was a taste. Hold on. I'll do that. Hold on. So we had first sour, then sweet, be its own bit. Food taste. I'm doing this as a bit. I'm making the taste as a bit field because umami just means savory. Fair enough. I might just write it as savory then, but I understand, yeah. But I was gonna say I am making the food taste enumerator a bit field just because I know that what some things can, like for example, like very good craze, like I don't know, fucking like Sour Patch Kids or some shit. Something can be both sour and sweet, you know. Like it can transition over time and everything like that. Just stuff like that. Salty, bitter. I will say, I think if anything, food taste none will be defined in game as bland, because I think that could be like an actual thing that could happen. Like for example, like I don't know, like okay, my fucking Asian brain going into play, but like I don't know, like rice congee. I don't know. That do like that do like be like kind of bland. I won't lie. If you don't add anything extra to it, because it is just like rice soup. So, you know, it's all I'll do for now. But in terms of food category, let me think of all the ones I could think of first. So let's see, meat. Probably something like this. Actually no. I think food taste none would just be like fucking nothing. I think I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Food taste none will just be like like assumedly like 0 in the first place, like nothing. So let's see, food category meat and food category I don't know, vegetable. Food category taste versus flavor, maybe. The flavor, that flavor could also that could also be true. I mean, wait, wouldn't flavor be the same thing as taste? I wouldn't know. Hold on. Like intensity versus taste. Intensity what? Just like, would intensity just be like a number or something? I don't know. Food. Um, food category. What? Food category fruit. Something like that. Food category. And would you believe me? I told you the internet issue was a second monitor. What are you talking about? I'm so serious right now. Hold on. Jump. You're so right. Holy. Imagine Imagine your entrance just being a jump on screen. Is that crazy? Oh my god. God. And then this will be dairy. Food category. My intro. You're so right. Holy. Your awesome epic Minecraft intro or something. Meat, vegetable, fruit, dairy, wheat. I was literally getting three pings a minute. It's just started working perfectly well and disconnected the second monitor. That's crazy. Genuinely, I didn't know you had a second monitor. That's also one thing. Damn. God. But. See you later. Of course, no problem. Is there... fuck, I'm thinking... I'm trying to think right now. Food category. Food categories list. Let me see. Meat, fish, eggs... Okay, it's gonna be more like dairy. Okay, that... Fish is also its own type of thing. That's right. Technically it's meat, but it's more like seafood in that sort of way. So I'll have it classified as like seafood maybe for those I don't know what the fuck you call them, but like it's basically like vegetarian, but they also include like seafood in there. I think, or like fish is like specifically. But let's see. I'm gonna look at fucking Wikipedia. Let me see. Oh no, this is just like every food ever. Oh. Oh wait, fungi might be a good one. Is fungi? I wouldn't know. Types of foods. Let me see. Language journey. Thank you. Oh, sweets could also be. That could be. No, because then W foods. You're so right. Holy. I think something like a cake could be categorized under wheat, than sweet. In terms of texture, what type of food textures are there actually? Hold on. Zero as food classification. Oop, my bad. Food taste. There you go. Yay! Awesome. Ah, right. Okay. Then the nothing. Export flags. If I do this now, wait a second. Develop enough food. Fair enough. Oh, we're getting into nitty gritty of foods. What's a texture of food? Solid versus liquid. That is true. Right. I guess if anything... Okay, wait. That could be its own food category, methinks. Food category... Drink. Slimy's one? That is true. I think also like smooth. Smooth, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. So smooth is this. There you go. Slimy's one, yeah. Let me just do this. Soft. That's true. Soft. Slimy. Oily. Yay! Oops, forgot a thing over there. Spongy could also be one. Smooth, soft, slimy, oily, spongy. Maybe rough? I think if we're talking like something like steak, maybe. Spongy, fair enough. Hold on. There you go. And then something like that. Hard. That's true. Food could also be hard. Now you're just gonna go this. Actually, now that I think about it. Candy. Straight up. At a mechanic where you reheat food from yesterday, it just makes everything just automatically soft. Crunchy would be better, maybe? Maybe. Crunchy. It lowers the quality? Maybe. Wait, that's really good. Maybe I'll add that later. I want to add like basic food. I don't want to add like any like, I want to add like the basic functionality grembox and then like expand it over time because I know like crunchy, chewy, creamy. Fair enough. Yeah. Crunchy, chewy, creamy. There you go. And then even without match. Hold on, I want to see if this was actually like auto game data. What? Yeah. And then let's have food. See if this actually okay. Does to some extent. Actually, no, it doesn't. Hold on. Export flags. Ideally, export flags, and then what? Meat. Wait, no, not here. This would be under. Under here, which would be meat, seafood, vegetable, yes. Like multiple of 4, I need to get that right. Gotcha. Mushrooms, you're so right! Holy! I'll add that under over here, maybe. How about just have this as like fungal, maybe. Fungal is different from like other things. Vegetable, fruit, yes. Not 3, 4. And then dairy. That's gonna be 8. And then I believe it's gonna be 1632. Yeah, okay. Dairy, wheat, gonna be 16. Drink is gonna be like 32. Candy will be 64. And then fungal will be 128. How about that? At least right. Okay. My bad. There you go. 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 256. Oops. Like this? Ah. Ah, right. Okay. Shh. Whatever. Okay. Right, that's how it works. So then if... Okay, now... Okay, that's sort of what I want right here. But, honestly, I think... Could a crew be classified as both meat and vegetable? I mean, okay, if you have like several things on like a plate, maybe. Like if you have like steak and asparagus or something like that. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Okay, so, I will, get classification, and it's gonna return a food classification. It just returns classification as food classification. There you go. Yay! Awesome. And that's gonna equal 0. Sony Foods, you're so right. Holy. And then so, what I'm thinking is sour, sweet, salty, bitter, savory. So I'm gonna have to do that as well. I need to go with different foods, but let me just do like the grunt work first here, where I just make this sort of thing. So export flags, enhance taste, and then tab sour, sweet, salty, bitter, savory. You could have some. Does that quality classes like simple, normal, professional, gourmet? Maybe. Yeah, that could also be a thing. I'm gonna have to figure out an algorithm to determine what type of what things a grem would like later. But this is definitely like, I don't know, definitely getting kind of in depth here, which I don't mind. So get taste here, and it's gonna be like food taste, and this returns enhanced taste as food taste. There you go. I figure that we're just gonna edit this in the anyway. So texture is gonna be what? Smooth, soft, oily, or no, slimy was next. Slimy is 4. Oily is 8. Spongy is 16. Rough is 32. Crunchy was 64. Chewy was 128. Creamy was oh, what, 256. Here we go. And then we change this to an integer. We can get texture. Do gritty foods exist? Gritty? I don't know. Get texture. And it's gonna be to return a food texture, which is gonna be return enhance texture as food texture. There you go. And then I have an enhanced smell as well, but I don't know what to do for an enhanced smell. Let's see. God, excuse me. Oh my god. But I think if anything, good texture. I think if anything, hold on, grem data will most definitely have to be like charisma, affection. I think if anything, I just want to establish this right off the bat. There's gonna be like a seed value, like right here, maybe. Hold on. I need to group this up. Holy moly. So I want to think of like smells too, but I want to do this first, honestly. So personality, affection, personality, whimsy, personality, freak, hey. Acceptance, sociability, activeness, hyperactivity. Yes. Personality trait. Okay, and then we have this, 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 there you go. This, and this, this. There you go. And then, I'm gonna group this under, personality. Because I want to have another thing here, and it's just gonna be like export var seed. And this isn't gonna be like specifically anything. Oh, it's the same as a book. Oh, god damn it! My bad. Random seed. It's gonna be like the specific seed that will be recorded on a grem's birth. I think this will be determined by, for now, I think by personality and time of birth, which will probably just be like, time of birth will probably just be stored in like Unix time, I think. And hand senses would likely make stronger smells, textures, and tastes past a certain value more disliked, right? I mean, yeah, I suppose. Depends on what we consider stronger. Ooh, hold on. No, I know one. Food taste. Can't believe I didn't think of this. Spicy. There you go. Yay! Awesome. And then spicy is 32. And do a little bit of this. Truth. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh my god. That's so awesome. Okay, so food smell. Cooling goods like mint. So cool. Okay, hold on. Food tastes cool. And that would be something like mint flavored, I think. Food texture. No, food taste is cool. Could be like 64. Oh, my bad. There you go. Yay! Awesome. Just in case it will. Okay, it does record here. It's good. It could look a little bit better, but in terms of like UI, but this is fine for now. Okay, not so bad. I don't want to make this a little bit more, let's see, so export var, what? How do I do this? Export storage, multi-line, here we go. Multi-line, yes, here you go. So, yes, it would be something like this. There you go. Label is just gonna be something like this. Yay! Isn't that awesome? Okay. I wonder if taste complexity can be calculated and determine how much a dish is liked. I wouldn't go so far as to make it that complicated. I would just make it. I suppose if anything, I would just make it more based off of like these sort of like fields around here. If anything, and just give it like a combination of both. Because as much as I'd like to get into like the intricacies of food and stuff, I think this is. I think just a simple checkbox like this is good enough. Considering you have to, I also have to understand that we're making like how it's probably gonna work is that we're probably gonna make like a bunch of foods. Let's be real. So you know, not I appreciate the enthusiasm, of course, but I'm just Tings. Oh my god, God X1, you're so right. Holy, you're so freaking right. Oh my god. God. But yeah, what can fucking food smell like? I'm thinking. Food smell. I don't know. It's very hard to describe a smell other than, oh, it smells like steak. I was like, no shit, it smells like steak. It's probably fucking steak. But, This us asking a real question around here. Oh my goodness. Taste can equal smells and then stinky. Ugh. Maybe. Maybe I can just remove smell for now then. I think those are fine, honestly. I don't know. Alcohol smell too. That is also true. Though I don't know if a grem should be drinking fucking alcohol, but whatever. It should be good for food. Now I'm thinking about what? So in depth. Yeah, but keep in mind, I know, we're probably just gonna be checking off, creating multiple items and checking off like lists here. I wonder if the food picture should just be like should just be the equivalent of like Tomodachi Life, but like instead I just like I don't know, I just like where it's just like really low res pictures of like certain foods in the real world. God, like just like stock images and shit like that. I think it'd be kind of funny. God, just something like that. So, now, I want to make a grembox. Inventory. Your game has a weirdly fleshed out and deep food system. God. To terminate everyone here. God damn. God. You love food out here. For real, you're so right though. That's also one of the thing I wanted to modify about grem data here. I want to the random seed is also so it can store like random food. Just random food taste that will just get recorded on here. So like okay, I want to record the the type of stuff that the grem would like in terms of like texture, taste, and classification, stuff like that in here, so that whatever, if I ever do end up changing the algorithm, the grem will stay the same throughout update, I will say. I don't want it to necessarily be like modified just like that, or else I think I don't know. Having a grem that just change like that just feels wrong, honestly. God. Like let the new grems be new grems, but let the old grems be old grems as well, you know? There's like Shadows. There's like it's like Shadows of Doubt, that homicide detective game. There's a really in-depth interior decoration system. Wait, that's so awesome. Most likely, what happens is, I don't know. They probably just had like a lot of fun with that. Let's not lie. Like the grem speed. That's what I'm saying. Oh my god. And grembox inventory accessory. And this is pure, and right in here, this is like pure like data, I will say. So this is just like defining classifications of certain things. Grembox inventory accessory extends grembox inventory item. Okay. So, now I'm thinking, excuse me, oh my god, I just ate, sorry, I just ate like hella Popeyes today. It was so good, I swear to god. I got this like coupon off Popeyes that's like what, $9.99 for like what, for like a Tukendine thing, and it was so good. Holy. I used the coupon though, so whatever. God damn, literally, it was like Tukendine. It had like what? It had like 5 pieces of chicken. It came with like what? I believe it came with like what? 1 wing, one. Called breast? No, not breast. I don't know. Just this big thing. And then a breast and then 2 legs. And then I got, for my sides, I got like Cajun fries and like mashed potatoes. And some biscuits that I didn't eat because by the time I got to them, they were kind of dry as fuck. And oh, it was so good. Oh my god. Though I know I know I shouldn't be eating that so often, but you know, once in a while, it's fine, right? Hopefully. I feel like here I should go based off here, based off of vibe. And so same thing in here, it's a vibe, but also just how you play with it in general. So I think if anything, I could have like another like classification thing. So for a toy, what would a toy be like? And this could be just be like any toy, like I don't know, like a music disc, or like a dog toy, or like yaoi novels and stuff like that. Just it determines how the grem will like interact with the item, because I don't think that I'm gonna have like a super extendable thing, because I'm probably gonna hardcode to the grem, I think. But let's see, for classification, what let's see, enum toy classification. So I've already said what? Toy classification, book toy classification, I don't know, maybe ball. And it's gonna be like this, like this. What else? Just something. What else would y'all want a grem to play with? I'm thinking. Book, ball. Music, so I could put like a little jukebox or something like that. Listen to things. Toy classification. Oh yeah, you know what? Actually, now I think about it, grem data should also have, like, what? Like, belongings, too. Let me just mark that down. Toy classification. This, and it's gonna store, like, and this will store just, like, toys and stuff like that. But, I'm thinking, because I do not exactly know. Very interesting. Book, ball, music. I'm thinking. Book, ball, music. What else would I would? Just imagine it was like Tomodachi Life or something. Because what else would you want to have show? You're so right. Holy. Oh. Yay! Like a little dance. Yay! W. God. Fuck, you're so right. Holy. I'm thinking like toy. Oh, I am Ethan 4444 as 1-5 for the jump catch game. You're so right. Holy. um. If I was a toy, what the hell would I want to play with it? Maybe media? Or just something to watch in general. Could classify like any video, I think. Toy classification. Yeah, I wanna interact with like some. Like, I want some like maybe like I won't say a board game, but like maybe cards. I don't know. Perhaps cards. Just thinking of bullshit right now. Classification, cards, plus. You're so right! Holy! How did I not think of that? Oh my god! Wow! They have like a bunch of plushies out there. Oh man. Toy car. You're so right. I mean, toy car would only sell for like one thing, but I guess toy classification, car. And then vehicles. No vehicle. I think car would just be like suited for like any like four-wheeled vehicle that for a four-wheeled land vehicle would be classified as a car, I think, in grembox. Hold on, I don't know why I'm doing this. I could just have it to like here, because unlike unlike everything else, a toy can only be one thing, so Bless you, thank you. Oh my god. You're so right. Oh. What to do? I can't. Wait, no. Actually, I can't believe I didn't think of this one yet. Hold on. Toy classification game. And then what else? Oh, that. Whoa. Oh, I did not mean to do that. There you go. Whoopsies. Anyway. I'm thinking. Could catch with a wallpaper. Yeah. Yeah, I make sure. I make sure. Don't worry. Surely. Hmm. So now I'm thinking. Um. Hmm. So you got book, ball, music, media, card, plush, card game. Because keep in mind, I'm gonna have to develop animation for all these too. So I think one more, and that should be it for now. Hmm. I'll think of vibe too. I think it's gonna be most apparent like media forms, just like music and media and game. Probably, I don't know. But uh hmm. I'm Shinkan. I'm thinking so hard. Hmm. Just okay, how about just device? It could be like an iPad or like a phone or something. I don't know. Just some bullshit like that. God, and then by default, I think it'll just be a book. I think if it was toy classification, none. The Grem would just set it down, just stare at it. I think. So none is 0. Modify all this so it actually matches up. And then there you go. And then toy classification, none. And we'll have toy vibe. What would a vibe of what would the vibe of a toy be? Toy vibe. Okay, because now I'm thinking in terms of this. Um. What? So, in terms of music, what I think is like what you got. You got like I guess like nothing. I guess I don't know. Toy vibe. We have toy vibe. I should probably stop doing this. Okay, toy vibe. Cutesy, which is 1. Toy vibe. Cool 2. Toy vibe. Epic 3. Sad 4. Moody. I was gonna say gloomy, but like moody kind of fits that purpose too. Sad, moody. Fuck, I don't know. Can rage bait be one? Toy vibe. The best. Alright, man. Alright, man. God. It's so stupid. Huh. Now I'm thinking. Toy vibe. Moody, sad. Why did I just say angry instead of rage bait? What the fucking make any sense? That's more like a mood in and of itself. Isn't angry more like a mood? Like, what? Like what? Like I don't know. How would you describe that? Like I don't know. Cause would you say something give off angry vibes? What the hell does that even mean? Like it's like prone to anger. Ooh, it's vibe. Yeah, no, it's vibe. Yeah, that's a thing. Like if it's like prone to making you fucking angry as hell, you know. I don't know how else you would describe that, because I know I'm speaking like, I'm like kind of speaking like Zoomer, fucking, not Zoomer, fucking like Gen Alpha speak, but like, I don't know, like, I need a good way to explain myself, like, I don't know, like, genuinely, so, I don't know, um, I thought we were talking mood. No, 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 no. We're just talking like vibe. And so I don't know how to explain rage bait to it, or like proto rage to a vibe. I don't know rage bait, so you know. So if there's not, is there anything else I could do? Maybe I don't know. No, I know. Toy vibe. True, yeah. There you go. Just stuff like that. It's gonna be fucking awesome. I had to like make a special exception for that, just because like I don't know how else you're supposed to like describe like if someone were to ever implement like I don't know like yaoi novels or something, like how else would you describe that, you know? God. And I suppose like same here, I guess. Though some things for accessory could be different, but overall it should be like around the same accessory vibe. Accessory vibe, and it's just gonna equal accessory vibe. Place every toy with accessory. And then accessory vibe none. There you go. Okay, I think that's good for that end. I think if anything, I should start making what items. Got items, and then we're gonna have like what something like resource item here. So for items, so we got food. So let's have that as what item food, like say for example we have what lollipop. Now I have a graphic for lollipop right now, but if it's gonna be anything, let's see, it's gonna be so let's just say this for example. We have item food lollipop. It's gonna be candy. It's gonna be sweet, and it's gonna be smooth and crunchy, I guess, if that makes any sense. Label is gonna be lollipop. Description is, and it's gonna be awesome. Literally, that's what I'm saying. Just a plain creation of these items. I have to make like an item making stream like sometime, because holy moly. What? Lollipop. And color. Sweet, colorful, and most important whimsical treat. Something like that, you know? Oh, you can't see it. Okay, there you go. A sweet, colorful, and most importantly, whimsical treat. Yay! Just something like that is gonna be like the item for, is it gonna be like the process of making food? Sort of accessory, item, accessory, then, what? Let's just say glasses. It's gonna be an accessory, which then it gives off a let's just say it gives off a cutie a cutie vibe. And then glasses. And for, I don't know what the fuck description to write for that. I'm not gonna lie with you. I'm just writing like examples right now. For toy, let's just have like item, toy, yaoi. And so we have here book, queer. Yeah. There you go. Just something like that. That's the examples that I'm gonna lead with for now. But I think I want to say that this is a good starting point because I can feel myself starting to sort of, I'd say sort of burn out and something else, because as much as I like to like lock into this sort of stuff and just like really like hammer into this type of stuff, I do have like a super short attention span when it comes to this type of stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. but most importantly, let me fix. Sorry for lurking. I've been watching. No, it's no problem. Do not worry about it. What's most important is that you're here, and that's what matters. And okay, yeah. I believe, okay, normally I would have these on like, what? Sorry. I would have these on, whatchamacallit, 10, I would have these like 2 hours long, but I am trying to keep it within range. So I don't know. I'm just trying to be as flexible as possible with myself, so I don't have to hit the two hour mark every time. Because you know, this is already like long enough. Like let's not kid ourselves here. This is still pretty long, but you know, god damn. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. Yay! Awesome. Okay, so let me, what? Inventory. Create frame resource framework. I have an OG that says 4 hours is a short stream. Don't worry. God damn. Who is it? Let's see. Resource framework. Like, because I feel like there's like around like the same time. The mouse. Oh, the mouse. Oh my god. The moose. Oh my god. Wow. Resource framework for future items. There you go. I think that's good. Okay. Alright. I mean, if you get paid for the streams, then I can see that. Yeah, no, but I'm just doing, but at the same time, I'm kind of just doing this for fun. Let's not kid ourselves here. So when you know what they say, when you're trying, I don't know, when you're trying to have fun, just do it as for as much as you want to, because that is really what it comes down to. If you make this career, obviously there are more higher standards be set for like a whole like career and sort of stuff like that. But if you're doing this purely out of like a hobby, I mean, if streaming is your job, then 4 hours could be short. I mean, even then, I feel like most people I see most streamers I see like do what some streams like like just an amount of streams like this like is like normal, I guess. Like an hour and 30 to like 2 hours, like relatively normal. Like even like streamers who have who you know do something like that. So as a whole career. So I think I don't know. I think I can understand that it's to prevent like burnout and all this sorts like that. But I did have fun while I was here, which is awesome. Yes. Let me switch everything to my main desktop now, as to not defer from that. I was gonna say, I don't know. I like, I don't know. Is it crazy that like I don't know. It feels like little time has passed like at all. But like if you actually like look at like the amount of time I've been like active like as a whole as like a whole like doing this whole like streaming gig and stuff like that, because I've been doing this for like what, let me see, almost a year now. Isn't that crazy? I should I should do an anniversary someday. I mean, my birthday's coming up too. I don't know. Maybe we could bundle. That's true. We're close to the first anniversary. You're so right. Holy. Oh. And the anniversary. You're so right. We need to hold that. I need to plan something special for it now, because now I'm like reminded for it. I don't know. I need to like. What? Plan for that, because I don't actually know, how I would tackle that, because I just, what? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's just crazy. Like, what? My anniversary is what? The 30th? That's like 3 weeks from now. Holy. Okay, I'm gonna have to plan something super special. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but I'll plan something for sure. I don't know. Maybe you could do. Actually, no. I'll save it. I'll save it for the hashtag surprise. But exciting. You're so right. All of this, and I only have like 3 weeks to to plan all of this out. 3 weeks along with like everything else I need to do, which is kind of crazy now you think about it. I'm putting this much on myself. I think because of that, I think I might have to forego any like early birthday celebrations. I don't know. I don't know. I think my birthday's coming up soon, but I think it could just be like a very simple birthday, because I want to save it for like my anniversary. I won't lie. So maybe at a later date, because I don't know. I think it's fun just celebrating a birthday here. That's still fun, right? The I don't know. I want to do something a little bit more awesome for my birthday as well, but not to like the extent of like my anniversary. Birthday though, yeah, no, I know. It's just what I gotta do things. So what? I don't know. I don't know. I can cook up a little plan in mind. Do not worry. Do not worry. As long as I didn't write it on my schedule like a dumbass, because I just be doing that sometimes, because let me see, let me see my schedule. Okay, no, yeah, my schedule was made, was literally, my schedule was made like literally right, the day where it ends off is like literally right when my birthday starts. Holy, isn't that crazy? God. But now I think, now I think about it, I do have some things I want to yap about. What I remember, I was like really I was like, I was, I don't know, were you shooting the day of your birthday or the next day? I think the day of my birthday, I think, is when I'll do it. Cause you know, it's a thing. Wow, yay! Isn't that awesome? And it, like as soon as it hits like May 11th, you know, and then like after that, I'll spend like the rest of the day with like my folks and stuff like that. It's like May 12th will just be like a nothing. Will be like a resting day. I'm gonna guess for myself because that'd be super awesome. Just spend time with my friends and my and everything like that because it's awesome. But what I think for now uh mm, 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 mm. What are you gonna yap about? Oh yeah, I was gonna yap about. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I wanted to yap about like how I could plan on getting myself like stuck in this rut because cause you know I do have like a real life outside of here and I don't really share. I do share about my life like not like too much to the fact that like it's like super damning or anything like my entire like life stories out there, but I will say the trajectory I'm going right now in like my IRL life in Korea and stuff like that. Which you know, I mean, this is kind of my IRL career. It's kind of I don't know. It's kind of it looked kind of bleak because I don't know if I said this, but like I am like majoring in computer science, and that does mean that I we everyone just has to use the artificial intelligence, the AI. Oh my god! And I don't really want to do that because it hurts my pride as a creative creator. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like inevitably. I think if I continue the path I'm pursuing right now, then I will have to, and it gets me kind of fucked up, and so I don't know. Right now, my plan is to like use streaming as like sort of an escape from all of that. Cause like then I could work on because then I could like pour out all my creative energy into like things like grembox and like stuff like that, and it's gonna be like and it's gonna be super awesome. What if you know what if I have what if I get so what if I get big enough that I can like financially support myself, and then oh my god I could just I just be silly and stuff full time, and I don't have to use I don't have to resort to artificial intelligence because my job will just invade me or something. Like, ugh, I don't know. It made me angry. I want to finish I want to finish Grembox. I want to finish everything else. I want to turn everything I'm doing right now, all like everything that I love doing into like a little and like monetize it so it can be like a little career for me. So I don't have to don't have to work a job that sucks the soul out of me by having me use generative AI. Oh, I haven't requested one job. Future looks bleak with that. Holy. So, you know. It's fine, though. It's fine, I suppose. Ugh. I think the most important part, if I keep going this way, is like if I want to pursue that specific path where I get to just have my own creative freedom, is just keep pursuing this path, like be like super relentless about it, or else like you can't I don't know, you cannot half-ass this kind of stuff, because if you want a life if you want a lifestyle like that, then you kind of have to like train like you have to like, you know, like first like discipline yourself and then like train like really just like I don't know, just do a lot essentially. Just gun buying. You're so right. Oh my god. Try your best always, and the things that you love to do, and I don't know. I'm hoping that, you know, I'm maybe I'm like very hopeful and I'm like being so doomful because I am like very young, but you know I'm hopeful I'm gonna make it in my life somehow, so I can not rely on generative AI. You know? Yay! Isn't that awesome? Oh my god. Yeah. Support me. So yeah, essentially support me in my things. I want all the support that you can give me. Do like please do like everything you can, cause like I don't know, like I don't know, like I don't know, just I don't know, I I want to make this my life, essentially. So I don't know. I don't know if it's any further, but I don't know. Oh, I just need to advertise myself more. I don't know. I'll be here. Thank you. Even just being here means a lot. I don't know, cause the most important things is that there's like there are there are like viewers and there are like like chatters in here. Cause like I function the best when there's like actually a chat to bounce off of, and that takes form the form like of grams here. But you know, obviously, if there isn't, and I'm just talking to no one, then I feel like life is hopeless, and I should kill myself. I'm just kidding. No, I should say that, but it's okay. Cause you know, I'm very lucky to be at where I am right now. Even if it's very small, cause holy, having some supporters is better than no supporters. But you know, it's okay. Ah. Alright, sorry. Yep, over. What? I'm gonna go take care of myself now, just as y'all shall take care of yourselves. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Holy. It's a little bit early for what I normally do this, which is, you know, I do like Dodgy Life kind of late, but, you know, that aside, y'all have a good y'all have a good having a few supporters, but we support hard. You're so right though. That's like the main thing. Holy. Like genuinely, it means like the world to me that I don't even do this for like for like someone like me. Holy. Wait, look. All right, hold on. Damn, you just missed it. That's crazy. God. But anyway, what? Y'all have a good morning or afternoon or evening, whatever it is and your location. I hope you have a good one, and I will see you all later. Okay, up to anyone. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye-bye. Yay! Awesome.